Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resend expiring photos and videos or any content you have on Telegram. So, the process is going to be very easy and I'll show you the reality behind this. Make sure that you watch the video completely in order to get perfect into it. So, head to your Telegram right here. And let's say here I'm sending some pictures or videos to anyone. Let's pick a random contact here. Let's say here I'm sending to my friend. Okay, so this one. Oh yeah, after that simply I'm sending a picture. Let's say okay, I'm sending this picture. Click send to send the picture, and here wait few seconds until this send, and as soon as it will send, I'll delete it from the Telegram chat. Just wait few seconds until they proceed. Okay, the picture has sent, and now hold it and then click on delete button, and now here I'm deleting from my side as well as from his side. So let's delete, and guys, you can see there is no any option to resend the deleted photo or video again. So you cannot send any of the picture or video that you have deleted or the video which is expired on Telegram. So that's the end for today's video. If you like the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.